So, hello everybody. How are we today?
All on fine,
Fine,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
All are fine,
So,
sir.
guys, today we are going to practice a role play. Role play means a character will be given to each of you. You have to just do acting in English. Okay. So, the theme is this: Rajni is playing the character of a mother, and here we have Aman. Aman would be the son of Rajni, and Ankit is going to play the character of a teacher. Okay, Ankit, you are the teacher.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are the
Sure.
tuition teacher. Okay,
Fine,
and
sir.
Mashal Singh is going to play the character of a police officer. Fine, Mashal. So how the
Well,
scene
well,
starts? Let me tell you. We will start the first scene from the home of Rajni. Rajni is saying to Aman like, Aman, come on, get up, go to a tuition center. You rarely go there. We pay a lot of fee. However, you don't go every day. Then anyhow, Aman reluctantly goes to tuition center. Yeah, and there Ankit start teaching, but Aman doesn't respond. Then Ankit has to start scolding, or maybe Ankit can slap also. Now Aman has to go back to his home and start complaining about whatever happened at Ankit's tuition center. Rajni gets angry. Rajni goes back to Ankit, and after that, the scene starts. And then finally, Rajni has to go to the police station and complain. This is what the theme is. Okay, so the first scene would be Rajni and Aman. So when I say action, the guys have to start. Okay, so
okay, sir.
three. And rest of the people can turn off their audios. Only Aman and Rajni audio should be on. Okay. Three, two, one, go. Action. Rajni, over to you.
Aman, Aman, wake up. Got up, Aman.
Get up, Aman, get up.
Yeah, so
Get up. Sorry, get up, Aman. Get
no
up.
late.
Otherwise, you will late.
You will get late. You will get late.
You will get late for tuition. Go. Come fast. Aman,
Aman is paused. Aman, yeah, Aman, respond.
Okay.
Aman.
I am getting up. I am getting up.
Talk about breakfast. Talk
Let-
about breakfast. Talk about breakfast.
Okay.
You.
Yeah, tell me, Aman. What do you want?
Hmm.
What do you want to eat?
Yeah. You make my breakfast. I am coming I am coming just in 10 minutes.
Hey, okay, go and fresh up. I will give you a butter and jam. Bread butter.
Bread, butter,
Okay.
bread.
Okay? Bread or butter. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Now
Okay,
after
Aman, take it.
after getting fresh, yeah.
Okay,
Aman,
Aman, take it your breakfast.
Are your breakfast ready?
Aman, you are always late. You know that now?
Yes.
You say that we pay a lot of fee, and you rarely go to
We
tuition
pay
center.
lot of we pay lot of fees, and why you did not go on time?
Why don't you? Why don't you?
Why do you not? Why do
I-
you not go on time? Go.
I go daily. I go daily on time, but today I am late.
Okay, fine.
Now I am going to the next classes.
Okay, now go. Now say good morning to Ankit. Go there. Go, Aman. Go.
Okay. Hi, good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning, Aman. You are late again. Why are you late always, man? Have you completed your homework today?
Sorry, sir, I forgot.
Oh, you are so careless. Neither you come on time nor you complete your homework. What is this? And yesterday I got a complaint against you that you were following a girl, Richa. What were you doing behind
No,
her?
sir, I did. No, sir, I didn't follow anyone.
Come on, you are in the habit of telling a lies. This is not fair. I will not tolerate this kind of nonsense. You must go back. Get out of my class.
No, sir. I am not telling, sir. I am not telling a
Come
lie,
on, I
sir.
said go back from my class, but you won't listen, huh? Slap.
Slap. Aman, you just try to speak little louder, sir. How dare you slap me?
How dare you slap me, sir?
Why not? You will
I am-
misbehave with girls. You won't do your homework.
What, sir? You
You come late.
can't slap me.
What am I supposed
You
to
can't
do?
slap me.
Am I? Why not? What I'm supposed to do? Am I supposed to just pray in front of you? No. I never tolerate this kind of nonsense in my class. I'm a very strict teacher. You know that?
I'm not your servant, sir. You can't slap me like this. I will
Just
complain
get
to my
lost from
mom.
my class right now.
I'm going, sir. I will complain to my mom.
Yes, you can do whatever you like to do, but I will never tolerate this kind of nonsense and this kind of indiscipline in my class. Can't you see there are other students also sitting? How much behaved they are? They always come on time. And on the other side, it is you who never do anything properly. You always come late, you never do your homework, you follow girls, and on the top of it, you always speak lie.
If you slap me like this, I am going to my mom.
Okay, go. Go and never come
My
back
mom.
again.
Mom.
Audio. Rajni, audio.
Hello.
Hello.
What happened, Aman?
Mom, the teacher slapped me. I didn't do anything, but he slapped me. I am so
How dare
angry.
he? How dare he touch you? Let's go. I see him. Come with me.
Yes. Yes. Come. Let's go.
Okay. Where is your son?
Yes, who's it?
He's in the class.
Okay. What is the name of your sir?
Ankit, sir.
Okay, Ankit. Okay. Hello, Ankit.
Oh,
Where are
hello? Hello, who's that?
Yeah, how dare to touch my son?
Okay,
Beat my
you
son,
are.
still my son has.
Okay, ma'am, you are Aman's mother, I think.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have tried to make your son understand. I tried everything to make him understand calmly, but he never listens to me. He comes too late. He comes
Who
to
gives
class
you the
late.
permission to beat my son?
Let me explain, ma'am. Let me explain. If you find any fault with me, then you can ask me any questions. Now let me explain myself.
Hey,
I tried to make your son understand. I always calmly sit with him, but he never listens. He comes to class
I
every day
know
late.
my son
He
is
never
weak in study.
he never
I
complains.
know.
Look, to be weak in studies is a different thing, but he's so indisciplined. He never come on time. He never completes his
No. I
homework.
can't believe. I
And
can't believe my son is
on the
not
top
doing
of
these right
that,
things.
he even following girls in the class. Yesterday, I got a complaint
You
that he was
saw?
following certain
You
girl.
saw? No, you saw, sir?
The girl herself told me about it. Why would she lie to me?
Hey, where is the girl?
Okay,
No,
ma'am.
where
So
is the
here we
girl?
go. The pot calling the kettle black. Instead of
I
punishing
was
your
regular
student,
guested.
instead of teaching a
Is
lesson
this
to
the
Aman, you
way
are
you
teaching
teaching?
me. How dare you?
No, is this the way? Is this the way you teaching?
Is
I
this
call
the
the
kind of
police.
discipline you teach your child? No. Tell your
No,
child to be
I
in
know that
discipline.
my child
I never tolerate
my child did
any
not
such
do
kind
this.
of behavior
My
in my
child do
class.
not do this. You have a wrong information. I call the police right now. I will complain
Look,
against
ma'am, you
you.
can do whatever you want to, but
And
I will never.
I will close your institute also.
Okay, you can do whatever you want
Wait
to.
and
I have
watch.
seen many
Wait
parents
and
like
watch.
you. I have seen many parents
Wait
like
and
you. I
watch.
don't
I
care a
call the
bit.
police.
And
Yes, go ahead.
No. This is not the way. This is not the way you talking
What I'm
to
supposed
me.
to do?
I'm
Obviously,
the woman, and you
it's my
like talk like.
duty to teach your child. And if he misbehaves, then obviously I will beat him up.
No, my child not like that.
Sometimes it becomes imperative for us to beat the students so that they become disciplined.
Rajni,
You are
try to blame
My
Ankit
teacher is
that you
lying.
always. Aman,
Hey,
wait.
you are liar.
You just
My-
blame that.
my-
Rajni, listen. You have to blame that you always remain busy. You talk on phone. You rarely teach students. You take fee.
Okay.
Allegations.
You are always on phone. You did not taught. You did not teach. You did not teach the children. Whenever
Come on, ma'am. I have my CCTV footage installed in my coaching center.
You always
You
on
can go
phone.
and check out the
I saw
CCTV
you.
footage. You will find me
I
teaching all the
saw
time. It's your
so
son
many
who's at
times
fault, and you are blaming me.
on phone. You
This is
always
not fair.
talking to someone. You
It
did
is very
not
easy to
teach.
point fingers at
You did
others,
not
ma'am.
teach my
But you
son.
must point fingers towards
I
yourself. You must
told you did
introspect,
not
and
teach
you
my
must
son, and
introspect.
you are talking about.
Is
you
this
are
kind
talking like this,
of
a girl.
is this kind of discipline
No,
you give to your
no.
child? Then I'm sorry, ma'am.
I
He's a
was
spoiled.
fabulous.
He will be spoiled.
No, you are wrong. You are
Mama,
a
yeah,
teacher.
also do not
Is
clear
this
my
the
doubt
way?
when I
Is
ask.
this
Hey,
the
you
way
shut
you
up.
are
You don't
talking
speak in
to?
between when I'm talking to your mom.
You just shut
How
up.
dare you to speak?
How dare you talking at me? How dare?
I'm talking to your son. How dare you to interfere
No,
when I'm
no,
talking to
no,
you?
no, no.
It shows
I
that how
pay
much
for you.
indisciplined he
I
is.
pay
He needs
for
to be
you.
taught a lesson.
I pay you. Just teach my son
He
only.
should be in jail. He shouldn't not be in the
No,
class.
you
He's
call
just
me
like a
now.
criminal.
You call me and tell me each and everything if you have a problem. Why you did not call me?
What am I supposed to do if your
And
child
how
is
dare you
misbehaving
touch
with
my
everybody?
son?
If he's
Till my
creating a
son
scene every
is
day in
paining.
school, what am I
Till my
supposed to
son
do?
is paining.
Sometimes
How
it becomes
dare
imperative
you?
for us to beat them physically. That's why I give him
Do
physical
you know?
punishment for
Do
his
you know
betterment,
what
not
is
for
the
my
meaning of
betterment.
teacher?
I
Do
don't
you
have
know?
any issues with your
No,
boy.
no, you
I just
didn't.
want to teach
No,
him
you
to
didn't.
the right
No.
path.
I know you are wrong. I know you are wrong.
No,
I know
I'm
you
not
are
wrong,
wrong.
ma'am. I think you have
called
made
the
a
police.
mentality. You have just, in your mind, you have thought that you would
called
come
the
and
police.
fight with me. And this is not
So many
fair.
times I-
This is how you behave.
So
Are you an
many
educated
times
lady or
I
what?
saw your behavior. You are not a good teacher. You are not a
It's
good
your
teacher.
opinion, and you have your opinion,
Okay,
and I
I
have
call the
mine.
police right now. I
Okay,
call
why
the
don't
police.
you call the police?
Okay, go,
Hello?
go to police
Why
station
don't you call
physically.
the
Go to
police?
Rajni, go
No,
physically,
I have seen
physically to
many
the police
parents
station.
like you. There are many parents who come to
Okay,
you, and I.
Okay,
Ankit,
let's go to
Ankit,
police station. Let's go to police station, Ankit.
Okay.
Let's go.
So no, do
I'm
one
Hello,
not
thing.
sir?
going anywhere. You
Do
got
one
a
thing.
complaint against
Rajni,
me. I'm just
listen,
staying
listen.
Nahi, you
in
also
my.
will go.
No, I'm
Wait.
staying
Okay,
at my institute. Why would I go?
Let me speak. Let me speak.
No, you also.
Let me speak. Okay. What I'm saying that Aman along with Rajni should go to police station and lodge an FIR. Then police will go to Ankit's institute. Got it? This is what is going to happen. So you say to Aman that
Okay.
Aman beta, let's go to
Okay.
police station. Okay. 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay, Aman beta, let's go to police station.
Okay, ma'am.
I see her. I see him.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, sir. And
Wait
this
wait
is
a
my son,
second.
Aman.
Listen,
And
I'm busy right now. You should have a rest, please. I'm taking a FIR someone else. You should have a rest. Get some water to ma'am and son. Okay. No, you just tell me what's happened.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Sir, my son name is Aman, and he is studying. He study in FY Institute, and the sir was beating my son badly. You saw? Look at.
You can see.
Look at him, sir.
You can see my son.
What happened with you, Mr. Aman? What's wrong with you?
Sir slapped me. My teeth is also in pain.
Why did he slap you? Did you do something wrong at there?
No, I didn't do anything. I just forgot my homework and slapped me like I have done
Why
robbery or
okay.
a thing.
If you forget your homework, so then this is happened with you. Why you did forget your homework? Why you didn't
I
homework at home?
forgot. I was little ill yesterday, so I forgot my homework. So he should not slap me like this. And also when I ask him a question, he does not clear my doubt. He always scold me.
Okay. What is the name of the institute?
So he did a small mistake, and that person was beaten like that. I am not a lawyer, sir, but I know the law. And law says nobody can beat the student.
Don't worry, ma'am. I will definitely help you
Come
out.
with me, sir. Come with me. Come with us. Come with
Okay,
us, sir.
let's go. How about just get a car and go to the Aman Institute?
Ankit.
Okay.
Ankit.
Ankit Institute. What's the name of institute?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Sit behind the car.
No, he's
Let's go to the
The Ankit Institute.
Ankit classes.
Ankit
Ankit
Institute.
classes.
Okay. Knock.
Oh,
Where is your Ankit teacher?
clock. Oh, hello, officer. My name is Ankit.
Ankit, if a complaint has been lodged against you, did you slap some students yesterday?
Sir, why don't you sit and let's talk to me?
Yes.
This is my
I will
office.
sit. Don't worry.
Abhay, do chai lana. So.
No, I will not take a tea. I'm not here
No,
to.
sir, please,
I'm not.
please. This tea is going to
If
be
you
very
suggest,
tasty.
give
would
me a
like it,
lemon
huh?
water. If you suggest, give me a lemon water.
अरे भाई नींबू पानी लेके आओ. Yeah. So, sir, I want to tell you something very
Sir,
important.
you
See, Aman,
solve the
it is
case
it
and
is
you
a very
drink the
serious
lemon
case.
water.
I'm just thirsty. That's why I told him. What's wrong with that?
Sir, let me tell you that this lady is very aggressive. So I would like
Mr.
to
Ahmed,
have at least 5 minutes.
can I access your CCTV images?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
I
You
will
saw the
definitely
CCTV
show
camera.
you.
First,
I'll
you
show
saw the
you.
CCTV
Yes.
camera.
You see
How
this.
how he
First of all, just
shocked it on
don't.
me.
Actually,
Miss
I'll show you
Ranjini,
the CCTV
I am
camera.
here to sort out your problem, please.
Yes,
First,
yes,
I
yes.
will discuss with
He
Aman.
is a short
After that.
tempered man, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
He
don't
is
worry.
not deserve a teacher.
As you can
What did
see
is,
that
is
she's
the
already
lady saying is
shouting,
that
and she's in habit of
Ankit,
shouting all the
Ankit,
time.
listen.
She never listens to anybody else, just like her
You
son.
also not listening to me.
No,
I
I'm
will put
listening
you.
to you, sir. Let me.
I will put you on the jail. Then you will
No,
listen.
no, just
Shut up.
listen to me, sir.
Don't argument in front of officer. I
Sir.
have a power to.
Sir,
Okay,
Slap
okay,
you.
fine, sir. I
Take lime
believe you.
juice.
Sir, I believe you.
Okay,
I
get up,
believe you.
Ankit. I don't want to drink anything. Let's go to the jail.
Okay.
I will.
No.
Questioning
No, sir,
at-
you cannot
at you.
do this, right? Because she's a lady, you are trying to just partial towards her. This is not fair. You should also listen to me.
I am
All the
listening to
laws
you,
are
but
not in
you.
favor of ladies all the
You're not
time.
listening
Sometimes
to
men
me.
should also be listened. And I'm a respectable teacher. I have been running
You
this
are a
coaching
teacher.
institute
Your
for the last 15
responsibility
years.
to teach a students, not to beat a
Sir,
student.
he is
Yes,
not
the question
beat my
is-
son first time.
Officer,
This is not the first
See,
time.
look at
question
It
look at
happened
the
before.
Aman. Look at the
But I
eyes
did
of
not
lady
say
of
anything.
Aman.
But this
Still
time,
they have a
ridiculous,
I
sir.
beat her
fingerprint
child
on her
He
face.
crossed his
he
limit,
never
sir.
comes
He
to
crossed
class
his
on
limit.
time
See, you
because
slapped a lot.
he always
You slapped a
follows
lot.
girls
Look at
and
the Aman
he never
face.
completes
The
his
finger
homework.
is still printed.
Sir,
Your finger is
no.
still printed at there.
Yeah, I agree. I am not denying the fact that I slapped him, but the reason is why I slapped
But
him.
it's a
I
fence.
slapped
It's a
him.
fence. It's a
No,
fence.
let me tell you, sir, why did I do so?
You do not have the
Let me
authority
tell you
to
why did I
slap
do
somebody.
so. I did so.
Mr.
And
Aman,
what is he doing?
I'm stuck with,
He's
I am
following
stuck
girls.
with the liar. You
Is it not
had
it
a
is not an
complaint
offense? It is
against.
also an offense.
See, sir.
I
Stalking
okay,
girls is
listen.
also an offense.
Yeah.
I have got a complaint from a
He
girl
did
who
not
said
say
that Aman
anything.
follows him
Your
every day and
file,
night.
No.
a complaint
So
has
should
been
I also
lodged. You
file a
should
complaint
have
against
to.
Aman?
You
Ah,
should
sir.
have to go with
No,
us,
because
Mr.
I don't want to
Ankit.
spoil his career.
You,
That's why
sir,
I
should
you
have to go
arrested
with
the
us.
son,
Either
man.
you can go
You
with
I
us.
just want
arrested
to
this
make him
man, sir.
understand, and
You
that's
should
why I
arrest.
slapped him.
Ankit,
teach
you,
the
either you
lesson.
will go with me normally, either I will grab you. What do you
No,
want?
you can't grab me like this. I will go to the Supreme
You
Court,
have to
High
go.
Court if you take
FIR
any
has been
action
launched.
against me.
A FIR
You
has been
cannot
launched.
arrest me
This is
like
the
this.
file of.
First
This
of
is
all,
the.
listen me out. Okay,
This is the
Inspector.
log of
Okay,
FIR.
Inspector.
You
Sir,
can
he
see.
crossed his
Inspector,
limit.
come. Okay,
He
Inspector,
crossed
I'm
his
ready to.
limit.
Let's
Okay,
let's
Inspector,
both of
come
you
with me.
Sir, he
come to
crossed
I want
his
to talk to
limit,
you
and this
something.
time,
Inspector,
This
I'm ready
time-
to.
Okay, Rajni,
I'm ready to give you 1
Ankit,
lakh rupees. I'm ready to
Okay.
give you 1 lakh rupees. So I want you to sort out this matter in my favor. Okay.
Lovely.
Okay.
Take this money,
Give
take this
me, don't give me indirect. Just,
Come on, take it. I know you take it. So just take it.
Okay,
and
okay.
I will teach
Aman,
you lesson. I will teach you the lesson. How
Rajni,
dare you touch my son?
I can understand each and everything. Your son did something wrong at there. That's why Ankit slapped him.
No, sir,
If I
no,
were
no.
with Ankit, if I were in Ankit, I also slapped that your boy. Your boy was very naughty. Still, he's naughty. Ankit was right. He slapped your son
No,
because
sir,
your
my
son
boy is
wants to
not-
slap.
No, sir, no.
I
Okay.
slapped him only for his own
Yes,
benefit.
Ankit, you are right. I am with you. Don't worry.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay.
You are such an honest officer. I'm proud to, but I'm very happy to see an honest officer like you.
Yes.
I'm not talking with you. I'm not talking with this guy.
Fine. You can go to the superior officers. Okay, Rajni, next time. But it was
Okay, sir.
fabulous. Scintillating performance, outstanding, I would say. Though there were some grammatical errors, however, I tried to stop.
With my
to
side,
correct.
na, sir?
Yeah, from Rajni's side, little bit. Like instead of present, she was using past. अगर कहना है कि देखो तो सी की जगह 100 कह देती थी. ये कुछ मिस्टेक्स थे. इस वीडियो को आप लोग खुद यूट्यूब पे देखिएगा और खुद जज कीजिएगा कि आपने क्या किया है. बट इट वॉज माइंड ब्लोइंग. बहुत मजा आया.
Sir, I am an honest officer.
Yeah,
I
you
play
took 1
honest.
lakh rupees as a bribe. Amazing.
Usually police officers take money, so I offered him.
Yeah. Fine.
Because sir, I know.
If
I
you
know
give me
that
earlier,
the
then
Ankit
this-
is corrupt.
Ankit is corrupt, I'm not.
ओके फाइन फाइन गाइस, ज्यादा वक्त नहीं। रिचा का आज फर्स्ट डे है। रिचा सोच रही है कि क्या हो रहा है, लोग पागलों की तरह बोल रहे हैं, बट ये एक रोल प्ले है, ये कभी कभी कराया जाता है, फ्लुएंसी के लिए कराया जाता है। कल से फिर रिचा से हम ओपनिंग कराएंगे स्टोरी टेलिंग की, और एक ग्रुप आप लोग एक साथ मिलके चला कीजिए, एक दूसरे की हेल्प किया कीजिए, तब जाकर के इंग्लिश आएगी। ओके, सो फाइन गाइस, थैंक यू, सी यू टुमारो एवरीवन।
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Bye. Take care.
Have a nice night. Bye.
Sir, I sent it. Sir, I sent to you this picture composition.
Yeah, you can.
Sir, I will.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, fine. Thank you guys. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.